Lorex has added to its Nocturnal camera line with the introduction of LNB8973, an all-metal matte black bullet camera with a ton of unique features. The 8973 is a more traditional style camera shape, but is far from ordinary. The 8973 is an 8.5 megapixel 4K camera. 4K provides 4 times the resolution of standard 1080p HD. This camera is an IP or Internet Protocol camera and uses PoE or Power over Ethernet, where only one cable is used to supply power, video, and audio if available. The camera is made of solid aerospace-grade aluminum. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally, indoors or outdoors. This camera offers a high-quality matte black finish and has an adjustable sun visor to keep flaring off the lens to a minimum. With a sealed weatherproof lens and body, the LNE8973 is IP67 water rated and can operate in temperatures as low as -22 Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This camera offers a maximum night vision of 250 feet and color night vision up to 175 feet. Unique to the 8973 is a 4x optical motorized zoom, remotely accessed through the NVR. The zoom allows the user to keep the camera far enough away from sight but still achieve a closer image, ideal for retail use. And this zoom feature allows the camera to have a field of view ranging from 102 to 39 degrees. This camera also features an E-shutter, which optimizes the amount of light let into the camera sensor. This camera can record at 30 frames per second, which helps to provide smooth on-screen movement. The LNB8973 uses HDR, or High Dynamic Range technology, which ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNB8973 employs HEVC, or High Efficiency Video Codec, H.265, which keeps file sizes small yet maintains high video quality. The LNB8973 is an IP or Internet Protocol camera and is ONVIF compliant, an international open standard for IP cameras. This camera uses a SONY Exmor R CMOS sensor, considered one of the best image sensors available today. The camera angle can be adjusted with a ratcheting ball mount. There is a Torx set screw on the base to lock and unlock the angle of the camera head. Included with the LNB8973 is a 100-foot Ethernet cable with a unique locking connector to prevent accidental disconnection. Lorex includes a quick start guide outlining installation options and safety precautions. A Lorex 24-hour security window decal and mounting template are included with the package. Hollow wall anchors and screws are also part of the Lorex package, along with a chrome Torx wrench. The LNB8973 Nocturnal 4K professional grade camera produces crisp, clear images for your security needs.